What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. This morning we'll be going to repair a sewer service line. This service line feeds into a septic tank. So what we found so far is that the blockage starts under the walkway. So we will dig from the septic tank to the walkway to see what we find. Whether it's a blockage from the line being collapsed or roots in the line. So stay tuned and let's see what we find. Yeah. So here is where we'll be digging. This is the back portion of the septic tank where we had pumped out. And the clog starts here under the walkway and comes out of the house right along where you see that white pipe, and it runs along. And like I said, the clog starts right here under the walkway. So we're gonna uncover this portion of the septic tank and see what we find. So let's get started. So this is what we found so far. Where the concrete baffle is at, the tissue is basically stopped up the entire pipe up to the walkway. So we'll get all this cleaned out and see if everything starts back flowing.
Yep. That's how I flow it. Flow it here, go down. That's perfect.
So when you were going through, it was jammed up.
It was here. Yeah.
So it's clear now.
Yeah. That's okay. That's it. Yeah.
So she held it down with more water. It flowed real fast. So very fast.
Got everything completed. Come back and put a piece of concrete, pour concrete for this section. Got everything flowing and covered up. So as we bring this video to a close, we were able to get everything flowing. There was not an issue with the pipes. The issue was the inlet was clogged right at the baffle. So if you have your septic tank pump, make sure they can get to the inlet side and the outlet side. And that way can make sure everything is flowing. So in this case, they couldn't get to the inlet because the sidewalk, the walkway was covering it. So once we were able to clear the walkway and get the lid open over the inlet side and clear the blockage, everything was flowing. So normally that's where you have problems with your septic tank, is right there at the inlet, and right there at the inlet where the baffle is. And the baffle is there to keep the solid from flowing back toward the pipe.